Hello Divi fans. In this video, I'm going to create a page similar to our home page using group presets. So I'm in the dashboard. I went to the pages menu. I'm going to click add new page. I'm going to call this page home page, save draft. Then I'm going to go into the Divi builder by clicking the blue button that says use Divi builder. So the page I'm going to build is similar to this. Okay, then I'm going to go to the left here and click the button that says add layout. This is actually a better UI UX design than Divi 4. So I'm going to click this button here, click pre-made layout. I'm going to search for AI. Okay, AI software homepage. Homepage, use this layout. Presets, it's actually not import the presets. Let's see, I'm going to change the text to something different. The text font, let's use Anna Use Your Telescope, which is not the best font. Let's use Titanium Web. Okay. Then I'm going to make the text color green. Text size, let's make it 18. Let's increase the letter spacing. Increase the line height. Let's keep it at 1.8 em. And then I'm going to go into here and click add new preset. Let's see what happens if I go here, click this. Actually, let's delete that preset. Let's create a new preset from current styles. And let's change this to text 3. As you can see, it changed the font, but didn't change anything else. There might be a different way to fix this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the text here. I'm going to delete this module. And I'm going to add another text module. I'm going to go into design, text 3, and there. And then I'm going to change the text. Let's do the same thing here. Let's delete module, add a module, text. Okay, let's go design text 3. Let's actually make this invisible. Let's set the visibility on all devices. Let's disable the visibility on all devices for that row. So I'm going to make the default custom footer not visible on all devices. We have a few great videos on custom global footers. I recommend checking those out. The links for those videos will be in the description, and I highly recommend viewing them. I'm going to disable this section also. Save draft. Future Divi, that doesn't change. I'm I'm going to change this button's text to contact us. The link will be in a new tab. The target will be in a new tab. And the website will be our other website, which I recommend checking out, called websitepromoters.com. That is our main website. That website is featured on many of our videos, which I highly recommend checking out. Okay, let's save draft. If you have a lot of the same elements on a page, they can group presets can speed up design. Okay, let's see. Web design. Just copy and paste the text here. WordPress maintenance. You always have to maintain websites. For this button here, actually have this button here. Let's see. You can't really change the default text. Label, link. Button text. For the button, contact us. I wonder if I actually go into here, click new preset. Let's delete this. Let's add a button. There we go. It doesn't change the text though. It's not case sensitive. The link in a new tab. Just one more. in a new tab. Okay. And one last thing I'm going to do. Actually, no, I think let's look at the website here. Learn more. Okay, I'm going to change the link here to website promoters in a new tab. Don't want people leaving the website, so it's better to open the link in a new tab. What else is there? Contact us. Let's change the text to contact us. Link in a new tab. Don't want them leaving the website. Website promoters.com. Ready to use Divi 5, not Divi AI. Stop. Divi 5. Okay, this is text. It's different, so I'm going to copy and paste it. Well, this text is different. Let's copy and paste it. Instead of let's change it from the default, let's say draft. Last thing I'm going to do is change the spacing here. So spacing, set all this to 0. No, let's not do that. Let's keep it auto. Let's make the padding here 15 pixels. All around, top, bottom, left, and right. Let's new preset from current styles. And then let's add that spacing global option to these two also. Okay, just one last thing. If I change the spacing here, so instead of 15 all around, let's make it, let's go into the options here, the preset settings. And if I change it, it should change it for all 3. And it does. Spacing. One, spacing 3. If I change it, it changes the others. So that can speed up design, so you don't have to go into each module and change and make the same repetitive changes. Okay, so that concludes the video. I hope you found the video useful. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below the video, and subscribe to the channel.